Hey everybody. Well, it's been 7 months since we were rear-ended down in Denver and our 2016 GX was totaled. That was that white one we used to own. We picked up a 2018 gray GX and wanted to just talk briefly about the suspension that we're putting on it. It's the exact same setup we had on the white one. I was just incredibly impressed with how well that suspension was valved for the GX with the drawers, with the bumper, pulling a trailer that I didn't want to change anything about it. So we've got some shiny new parts from Dobinson's. Look at these beauties. So we've got the full setup. The rear coils are, see if it'll focus for me, 327s. We've got 352s up front. And one of the reasons why we went with this setup was really just the simplicity of it. I am a big fan of just regular old, quote unquote, old nitrogen charged shocks. They're simple. I live in a northern climate with a lot of snow and ice and de-icing agents and all that sort of stuff. And I didn't want to spend every year having to rebuild coilovers. And yeah, they're nice and shiny and all that sort of stuff, but man, simplicity works.